Hi everyone, today I will share with you a face cream for your daily need. Welcome to Brightest Life. Palmer's Coconut Butter Formula with Vitamin E, Eventone Face Cream, 2.7 ounces, 75 g. Product Overview and Description. 5% Niacinamide. Daily Moisturizer. Targets dark spots and discoloration. Hydroquinone-Free. With Palmer's Tone Enhancing Complex. Visibly Reduce Discoloration, the #1 sign of aging. With Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Eventone Fade Cream. An advanced blend of our tone-enhancing complex visibly targets unwanted discoloration, dark spots or age spots caused by sun damage, aging skin or scarring. Results: % of women who saw improvement. After 2 weeks, after 4 weeks. Visibly improved discoloration 91%, 100%. Reduced appearance of age spots 83%, 98%. Helped lighten dark spots 97%, 100%. Improved clarity 100%, 100%. Brighter, more radiant skin 90%, 98%. Based on a 200-person independent clinical study. Visible results in as little as 2 weeks. Tone Enhancing Complex. Cocoa butter smooths marks and scars. Niacinamide targets dark spots and discoloration. Retinol helps improve fine lines. Somi mushroom extract balances complexion and restores radiance. Vitamin C naturally brightens complexion. Vitamin E provides antioxidant protection from free radical damage. May take up to 6 weeks. Suggested use. Apply to affected areas twice daily on clean, dry skin. Light enough to wear under makeup. Warnings. For external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Keep out of reach of children. This product contains retinol. Use of daily sunscreen recommended. To order, please go to this link. http URL. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel, Brightest Life. See you on our next video.